In this video, we are going to enhance our landscape design by adding strip lights. These can be used in outdoor kitchens, pools, windows, fences, retaining walls, and much more. In this design, we're going to be adding a strip light around the raised patio. This is not only decorative, but also increases the visibility of the step at night. To add a strip light, click the Utilities tab and then click Strip Light. Left-click to place points and right-click to place the last point. Now, set the desired height. To edit a single point, click Edit Points, select the point you wish to edit, and then use this slider or manually enter. Now, we can adjust the brightness, beam angle, start range, and end range. Use this option to determine when the lights will turn on. Click here to change the color. You can choose the color directly or by entering the desired temperature in Kelvin. Use this option to select from a variety of effects, such as pulsating or slowly changing color. For this example, we'll choose cycle colors. Use these options for more control over the selected effect. To more easily add the strip light around an existing shape, such as this patio, select the object and then click Copy Shape. Then click the strip light and click Paste Shape. Then move the light into position. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.